Hello everyone. In this session, we'll walk you through the different sheets included in the Excel file. We'll explain each column step by step along with its purpose, expected format, and example values, so you can confidently complete the template for successful upload. We will begin with the instruction sheet, which is a reference manual. It outlines how to fill in the template and provides an overview of all the sheets included. You will find descriptions for each tab, dependent templates, and specific input rules to be followed while entering data. For deeper clarity, we recommend referring to the Data Template Overview session, which explains how to interpret and use the instruction sheet effectively. Now, we will navigate to the Holiday Calendar sheet. This is where you define all official holidays that apply to your organization or to specific employee groups. Proper configuration here is essential. It affects payroll processing, leave balances, and attendance records. You will also see a list reference sheet. This sheet contains standard drop-down options and lookup values. These help in maintaining consistency and accuracy while populating fields in the main sheets. The Holiday Calendar sheet begins with the Holiday Calendar name field. This is where you provide a unique and descriptive title for your holiday calendar. Examples include National Holidays, Corporate Calendar, or HO Calendar. This name should clearly identify the purpose of the calendar. If you are updating an existing calendar, you should use the same name to apply the changes. In the template provided, we have used National Holidays as an example. It represents a list of public holidays applicable across India. Next is the Holiday Calendar Start Date, which defines the effective start date of the calendar. This can either follow the calendar year, this means starting from January 1st, or the financial year, starting from April 1st. Most organizations prefer using the calendar year, and in our example, the date is set as January 1st, 2025. The holiday name field is where you list the specific holidays applicable under this calendar. These can include national holidays, like New Year's Day or Independence Day. It can also include religious or regional festivals, such as Mahashivratri and Ganesh Chaturthi. Example entries used in the template are New Year's Day, Mahashivratri, Independence Day, and Ganesh Chaturthi. Corresponding to each holiday name, you must enter the holiday date, which indicates when the holiday is observed. The date must follow the D-D-M-M-Y-Y-Y-Y format. For example, New Year's Day is listed as January 1st, 2025, Mahashivratri as February 26, 2025, and Ganesh Chaturthi as August 26, 2025. Ensure that each date accurately matches the holiday name it is assigned to. The hours field defines how many working hours the holiday covers. If it is a full-day holiday, you should enter your organization's standard full-day working hours. This is usually 8 or 9. For half-day holidays, you will enter a reduced value such as 4. In the current example, the holiday is considered a full day, therefore we have entered 8 hours. The HAS region field indicates whether the holiday is applicable to all offices or is limited to a particular state or region. If the holiday is valid throughout the country or for all branches, you should enter N. If it is specific to a certain region, you will enter Y. For example, Ganesh Chaturthi, which is primarily celebrated in Maharashtra, would be marked as HAS region is equal to Y. If HAS region is marked as Y, then the country name must be specified to identify where the regional holiday applies. This value is typically auto-filled based on your login organization. However, you can also manually select the appropriate country from the drop-down. For example, India. Finally, the region field is only required when HAS region is set to Y. If the holiday is not region-specific, HAS region equals N, this field should be left blank. However, if it is a regional holiday, you must select the relevant state or region from the drop-down. For instance, for Ganesh Chaturthi, which is widely celebrated in Maharashtra, you would set HAS region to Y and choose Maharashtra in the region column. This ensures that holidays are correctly applied to employees based on their work location. This concludes our walkthrough of the holiday calendar data template. By entering accurate and complete information in each field as explained, you help ensure smooth holiday configuration across your organization. If you have any doubts, always refer to the instruction sheet for guidance. Thank you for attending.